Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best latex inner tube for road bikes in the 700 by 28 size. The Vittoria Competition Latex Tube. If you're looking to boost your bike's performance, reduce rolling resistance, and enjoy a smoother ride, this tube is definitely worth your attention. The Vittoria Competition Latex Tube is designed specifically for cyclists who demand the highest performance on race day. It's made from high-quality latex material, which makes it incredibly lightweight compared to standard butyl tubes. This reduction in weight isn't just about saving grams. It actively contributes to making your tires feel more responsive and lively. The tube essentially breathes new life into your ride. One of the key advantages of latex tubes like this one is their ability to reduce rolling resistance. Because latex is more supple and generates less friction inside the tire, you'll experience a more efficient transfer of energy with every pedal stroke. This can translate into better speed and performance, especially during competitive cycling or long rides where every watt counts. Durability is another strong suit of the Vittoria latex tube. While latex tubes are known for being lightweight and performance-oriented, Vittoria has engineered this tube to withstand the typical challenges of road cycling, including sudden impacts like pothole slams. The tube offers reliable puncture resistance and stability, giving you peace of mind even on rougher roads. The valve is another thoughtful feature. This tube comes with a 48mm Presta valve that includes a removable core, making it easy to refill sealant or inflate the tube without hassle. The conical rubber base ensures compatibility with all rim profiles, simplifying installation and maintenance. It's important to note that Vittoria is a well-respected brand in the cycling world. They are the official tire supplier for USA Cycling and have a pedigree that includes victories at major events like the Tour de France and the Giro d'Italia. Their experience and expertise shine through in this inner tube, delivering a product that's trusted by professional riders around the globe. In terms of sizing, this tube fits tires sized from 700 by 19 to 700 by 28, making it versatile for a range of road bikes. It weighs about 1.6 ounces, which is impressively light and contributes to a more nimble feel while riding. To sum it up, the Vittoria Competition Latex Tube offers a blend of ultra-lightweight design, enhanced rolling efficiency, and solid durability. Whether you're a serious racer or a dedicated enthusiast looking to upgrade your road bike setup, this latex tube can make a noticeable difference in your ride quality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to take your cycling performance to the next level, the Vittoria Competition Latex Tube is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. Ride safe.